How to high ollie.
Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to high ollie on a skateboard. This is for like kids who really don't know. Well, I guess you could roll with a Walmart board or a GameStop board or wherever you buy it from. But you want to have your shoes right about here. I skate goofy, so I have my feet right there. But I mean, if you skate regular, you might want them right about there. Anyways, so what you want to do, you put your feet there, and then this is what you do, pop your foot like that, and slide it up. Seriously guys, that's all there is to it. Really, if you want to progress your skating career, you're going to have to learn this, because otherwise you can't do any more tricks. But in ollie, you pop, and that's how every other trick is. Like kick flip, you gotta pop, shove it. Well, of course you gotta pop, because that's the name of the trick. Barrel kick flip.
360 flip.
360 flip.
Chicago flip.
Chicago flip. Hard flip. Nollie. But, yeah, I mean, I learned this trick, like, it took me about 6 or 7 months, but, yeah, I got it down. I mean, first off, guys, your ollies might be like that, but, I mean, they'll get better. One day they'll just be like that. You'll be able to ollie as high as Jesus. But, yeah, so I'm going to do another ollie for you guys. Now I'm going to show you, like I said, this takes a little bit getting used to, but you might be able to do it one day if you're half as good as me. So, yeah, here we go, guys. Oh, wait, no, I'm sorry, that wasn't it. Like I said, gotta watch your foot placement. Here we go. That wasn't it. One more try, guys. That was the third time's the charm.
I prefer to do it this time.
Alright, let's go. Here we go. Fuck.
Wait, for real, dude. Dude.
Alright, guys, I'm just fucking with you. Here we go. This is how you do it right here. 100% high ollie. Ass. And that's how you do your high ass ollie. Thank you for watching. Remember. Wait, I don't remember. Cut it.